This particular product itself has zero competitors because it's been produced at a 90% margin, competing with people that are drop shipping and stuff with 10% margin. It's very hard to produce this product otherwise in North America. And it's just a pure economic mode for these guys. Hi guys, so I'm here to introduce something super special to you guys. And it's really going to change the way business is done in North America. Super simple to use, really driven by the cost of living crisis that we've seen in North America. Our belief is that empowering small and medium businesses is anathema to this. It's really going to bring back power to the people. So we're actually officially opening beta test for our low-cost manufacturing platform. Now, it's just 3 steps, and it's very simple too. Requires no technical knowledge. It can produce 90% of D2C consumer products, no minimum data quantity, 50% faster, 50% cheaper. And it's really game changing. So step 1 is where you enter your idea. So you select a category. Now this does not have to be exact. Today, we're going to be taking the example of a ring that was manufactured using our platform during the beta test. So we select jewelry, we select rings, and we'll select stainless steel because generally good practice. Produce jewelry, stainless steel. A bit more expensive, but much better. If you have a website that you could see a comparable product on, you should enter the product and you should enter the website here. So let's say I will just enter D2C launch because this is an illustrative idea. Here you list anything unique that is different from the link that you've provided here and from the things that are mentioned here. So let's specify that we want stainless steel, 316 liter. We want cubic zirconia, AAA grade, and we want a shiny finish. We want D2C launch draped inside. That's it. You attach sketch. So we have this ready to go. CAD model, a 3D model is always preferred because that'll allow us to produce whatever you'd like, exactly as you'd like it to be. There won't be any miscommunication there. If you don't have an idea, you could also just draw it out, and that's fine. If you don't provide a CAD model, make sure to provide a competitor or a comparable product. Press preview your final product. Type in your address. Okay, this is pretty self-explanatory. Step 3. This has already been populated because this is something that's already been used. So this is the final product would look like. This is a ring that was produced. Once you press get prices, you press modify if you want to change something. This won't ask for prices. This won't send it to our backend. And this, you'd get a new set of pictures here. Also, videos are possible if that's what you prefer. You click get prices. That's going to populate this field for the final order. Minimum order is 1 piece. You probably don't want to order just 1 piece unless it's a very expensive product to begin with. But it certainly is possible to order 1 piece. If we're just starting off, I'd order 100 pieces, $253 for all of that. And we'd want it quicker, significantly for a fraction of the price. Now, the product is produced right here for $2.91. That is 92% cheaper versus the comparable product you provided in the website below. It arrives in 16 days. Total cost is $291, including shipping. That is insane because this product sells for $23. Economic mode that this platform enables is crazy. It is game changing. Everything is produced cheaper, faster, better, easier. No complicated back and forth. And you're going to have zero competitor with our services. So this particular product itself has zero competitors because it's been produced at a 90% margin, competing with people that are drop shipping and stuff with 10% margin. It's very hard to produce this product otherwise in North America. And it's just a pure economic mode for these guys. And they can run ads on it and be super successful because they have no competitors. It's just fantastic for these guys. And so this is an idea of the kind of things our platform enables. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for free tools to help you compete with the big guys and take back power. And don't forget to sign up for the beta test for this platform on our website as well. Alternatively, you can also click our Calendly link to consult with us limited time to get access to our services. This is just so we kind of do some market research before launching some other tools of ours that we've developed as well. So that's all for today, and I hope to see you guys next time.